Form of government. Webster's Dictionary defines a republic as a state in which the supreme power rests in all the citizens entitled to vote and is exercised by representatives elected by them and responsible to them. However, this is in the context of a system in which it is acknowledged the people have rights, and those rights cannot be tampered with, and the government has powers, and those powers are limited. That's a republic. Woodrow Wilson did not like to talk about republics. Woodrow Wilson liked to talk about democracy. Woodrow Wilson wrote, democracy is bound, no, I love this sentence. This sentence, you know Woodrow Wilson is an intellectual because he cannot write a sentence. Democracy is bound by no principle of its own nature to say itself nay as to the exercise of any power. Now, he probably thought that was real good. But he says that democracy is not bound to limit itself in any way. Walter Williams, the economist at George Mason University that takes over for Rush Limbaugh every so often, he defines democracy this way. He says, democracy is two wolves and a sheep voting on what to have for lunch. And oftentimes we play the role of sheep.